Okay, so I'm gonna practice my bar spins. Well, I have a gyro, it's a new gyro, so if I bar spin, the cords don't break and they don't get tangled up.
Okay, away you go, darling.
Okay. I need to do the same thing that I did over here, but I need to do it when I'm lifting it up, and I need to do it when I'm in the air, right? The same thing right here.
Clean, do a nice clean bank. No, just one. Just one. That's it. And then determination, look, isn't it? Right. It's alright, keep going. That's it, you just keep going. It's going to come. Only another 1,000 more, Mother. Oh yeah, okay. Yep, get in there, keep going. Flick it, don't crossbar.